Hey guys, welcome to Bilbo Tech. This is Bala here and we are having a new series of top tech gadgets under 500 rupees and we are having a lot of gadgets and there will be a surprise giveaway also in the end of the video and between of the video. So watch the video completely for to get the giveaway prizes with yourself. So first we are gonna have a new gadget that is neckband fan. So you are known like what is neckband fan? So you can have seen an image here. Here it is. So this neckband fan has like a silicone structure and that's a flexible one and it's a rechargeable one also. So this is like mostly used for sports purpose or while traveling anywhere like where there is no fan situation or air condition provided, you can use this and you'll be benefited. And this comes with like a recharge time of like 4 to 5 hours and a backup time of 6 to 8 hours roughly. So without any further time, let's get straight into the video. The box is given mute, super strong wind, wear load and comfortable, hands-free, fan angle adjustment, 3 wind speed of 8 key switches, product lightweight, cool and fashionable. We have a button. Let's see what it does. Guys, I was not able to show you the speed, but I can show you the motor sound. Due to the motor sound, you can know the speed of this winding. Let's start with the one level 1. Then let's go with the level 2. And let's go with the level 3. Now let's wear it. Come on. You can see just like that. So guys, another thing, there was a USB charging cable for charging this particular one. To charge this thing, we have a port on here. Let's see. Come on. That's the thing. And this having a micro USB one. So guys, that's it. Let's move to a different camera angle. So guys, we are at the final of this video. This particular fan which we are using is like so helpful for everyone because this having a multiple purpose in every field, like starting from sports, starting from your office, starting your daily cycle rides. And if there is like any housewives watching this, you should buy this. This is like must buy product because let's take you're in a kitchen and like it'll be like so suffocating with heat and those stuff, and this will come as a lifesaver for you. That's what I'll say. And as I said, I'm revising the features of this. This is having a silent motor, 3-speed control, and it's having a battery backup of 6 to 8 hours in it. And this like totally silicone flexible. So guys, as I said, like we are having the contest of the giveaway, and this giveaway duration is from February 23. That is gonna be this Sunday till March 7, that is Saturday. So this time duration of 2 weeks, approximately 2 weeks, you can participate in this. The rules are very simple. You need to subscribe Bilbo Tech channel and you need to click the bell icon and you need to take a screenshot and you need to share to the below mail ID, that is bilbotech2020@gmail.com. And next thing, you need to share this particular video or any irrespective of video from our channel to your WhatsApp contact or your WhatsApp group, and you need to take a screenshot of it and send to the Gmail ID given below, that is bilbotech2020@gmail.com. And the results of this video will be announced on March 8, that is Sunday. We'll be having our regular videos coming in every week. So on this March 8, that is Sunday video, we'll be announcing the giveaway winner on the first of this video and we'll be shipping them that day itself. So guys, thanks for watching our video. Hope you like this gadget. And before going video, stop. Don't go. Do let us know in the comment section, did you like it or not? If you liked it, say what is the reason. Because this product is like useful for different category of people. So that's the reason. And another thing, can you do a small support for us? Do share this video link on your WhatsApp status. It's because many people don't know about our channel. We work a lot for this, for new content to bring to you. It's like its main purpose is to bring to you and make you aware of this new gadget. So if you make your friends aware, there will be good support to us and we'll be having regular videos on our channel on a regular basis. So guys, that's it for this video. Don't forget to give a like and don't forget to share with your friends and do comment down below. Don't forget it and do subscribe to our Bilbo Tech and click the bell icon and just near to the subscribe button. This is Bala shining out. I'll see you in the next one.